Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to be explaining to you how to convert USDC to Tether, which is USDT, on Coinbase. Now if you're using the web browser and you're signed in already to your Coinbase account, you're going to look at the top where you can see buy and sell, and then you select convert. With that, you're going to see a panel with the option to convert one cryptocurrency to another. In this case, you're going to be selecting converting from USDC to USDT. When you enter the amount of the cryptocurrency you would like to convert, you're going to click on Preview Convert. This will give you the chance to look at a summary of what you're doing. Now, if you are satisfied with the fees and the transaction, you're going to click on Confirm the conversion transaction. Now, if you're using a mobile app, the steps are slightly different because on the homepage of the Coinbase mobile app, you're just going to see the option Buy and Sell. When you click on it, you're going to select Convert. Of course, again, you're going to select what you're converting from, which is USDC to USDT. After that's done, you're going to select the amount of crypto you would like to convert. Make sure that you have enough USDC to transfer into your USDT, including the fees. When that's done, you will have to preview your convert, and after you're satisfied, you can click on Confirm to get the transaction completed. Please take note of any applicable fees necessary to convert from one cryptocurrency to another. And this is what you need to do to convert USDC to USDT on Coinbase.